Hello everyone, myself Vijay S. Gulkai, Assistant Professor of Vijayanagar College, Hospet for second semester students. In the last class, I have explained about the general characteristics of class Mammalia. Today, I will continue with the classification of class Mammalia. Class Mammalia is broadly divided into three subclasses. First subclass is Prototheria. These are oviparous, means egg laying. Mammary glands are unspecialized and without teats. Pinna is absent. Development is external and there is no placenta. Corpus callosum is also absent. Example Echidna and Ornithorhynchus. Second subclass is Metatheria. They are pouched animals. Corpus callosum is absent. True placenta is also absent. Pinna is present. Egg is small and develops in the lower portion of the oviduct. They have mammary glands with teats which are enclosed within pouch. In female, two uteri and two vaginae are present. Example, kangaroo and opossum. Third subclass is Eutheria. They have external ear. Corpus callosum is well developed. Marsupial pouch is absent. Mammary glands are well developed with the teats. They have a true allantoic placenta which provide nourishment to fetus. The anus and urinogenital apertures are separate and cloaca is absent. They possess single uterus and single vagina. Testis is behind the penis in scrotal sac. Example rat, cow, elephant and man. Let us discuss few living orders in Eutheria. First order is Insectivora. They are small and furry animals. Snout is long and pointed. Zygomatic arch is either incomplete or absent. Live in burrows, terrestrial and nocturnal. Testis never descend into scrotum. That is, scrotum is absent in male. Molars are sharp and pointed for insects. That is, it helps for insect feeding. Placenta is discoidal. Example, Hemicynus and mole. In primates, head is freely movable on the neck with well-developed brain, where cerebrum is large and convoluted. Large hands and feet are adaptation for grasping and climbing. Eyes are usually directed forward. The hair covers the entire body except the palm, soles, and part of a face. Testes are enclosed in scrotum. Two pectoral membrae is present. Example, loris, monkey, and man. Chiroptera. It includes true flying mammals. Forelimbs are modified into membranous wings for aerial mode of life. Digits are 2 to 5 elongated in the forelimb to support the patagium. Bats are nocturnal in habit. During daytime, they are seen suspended by their feet, head downwards in the dark places. Eyes are small and the sense of vision is very weak. Bats possess echolocation apparatus which help them to locate objects during flight. The pinna is large and sense of hearing is very acute. Pneumatic bones are present here. Milk teeth are shed and permanent teeth appears before birth. Example, bat. Poliodota. Here body is covered by overlapping horny plates. Here the hair is present between scales. Teeth are absent. Sticky tongue is used to capture insects. Tongue is protrusible and the snout is long. They are terrestrial and burrowing animals which can roll themselves into a ball for protection. Example, pangolin. I will continue with other orders in the next class. Thank you.